we'd like to state for the record the basis for the briefing. There's an audit report for DPWH 2023. This is solely within the period that the President has stated, and I will state the problems that had been seen in the audit report for 20. This is the latest audit report available, and I will state it for the record, just to be clear, on the jurisdiction of the committee for a briefing, not a hearing. DPWH was not able to efficiently implement 3,047 locally funded projects with an aggregate cost of 131,569,418,441 pesos and 24 centavos due to inadequate planning, detailed engineering, supervision, monitoring, which resulted in a delayed completion and non-implementation of various projects, contrary to pertinent provisions of the revised IRR of RA 9184 and the agreed terms and conditions of the contract. The DPWH was also unable to efficiently implement 17 foreign assistance projects with an aggregate cost of 84,411,319,510 pesos and 12 centavos, as evidenced by negative slippages ranging from 0.78% to 36.60%, increase in project costs, and or prolonged implementation period, which resulted in a loan restructuring of 3 projects in calendar year 2023 and possible restructuring of other projects in calendar year 2024. As a result, the intended beneficiaries were deprived of the immediate use and or benefits that can be derived from the timely implementation of the said infrastructure projects. Moreover, the delayed implementation of Metro Manila Bridges project affected the timely utilization availment of the loan proceeds, which contributed to the incurrence of commitment fees totaling 26,519,560 pesos and 90 centavos in calendar years 2022 and 2023. A total of 828 infrastructure projects undertaken by DPWH were not executed in accordance with the provisions stipulated in the respective contract agreement due to lack of proper supervision and monitoring, thereby resulting in various technical defects equivalent to a total amount of 343,524,212 pesos and 86 centavos. Moreover, several deficiencies were noted in the implementation of various infrastructure projects, which resulted in the projects being unusable or idle, thus depriving the public of the benefits that can be derived therefrom.